Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are practicing for our exam, which is summative assessment 3. Isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned how to add using 10 frames, using the number strips, using on your fingers. Okay. And also, we have learned how to subtract the numbers using the number strip and on your fingers. Yes. And also, we have learned how to add and check the answer, how to subtract and check the answer, isn't it? Along with that, we have learned the story problems also. Now today we will learn the next two bits, that is flat shapes and solid shapes, and the next bit, follow the given pattern to draw more four shapes. Okay, so the next we will learn in the next class. Now let's start with the flat shapes. First we have learned, so these two again in the next class. Okay, so first we have learned using 10 frames, then number strips, then adding on your fingers, then subtracting on the number strip, subtraction on your fingers, how to add and check the number, how to subtract and check the number, and also the story problems, isn't it, children? So let's start with the flat shapes. So what are the flat shapes you have learned? A rectangle. Yes, it has four sides, four corners, and opposite sides are equal. This and this are equal. This and this are equal. Isn't it? Next, you have learned about a square. Okay, for square also, you have four sides and four corners. Yes, four sides and four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, corners. 1, 2, let me show you again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also see, for rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, but in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. But in a square, all sides are equal. Okay, if this is 5 centimeters, this is also 5, this is also 5, this is also 5. Okay, so that is the difference between square and a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and in a square, all sides are equal. Okay, next we have learned about a triangle, where in triangle you have three sides, 1, 2, 3. Yes, and three corners, 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay, so this is triangle. Next you have a circle. So for a circle, there is no sides, no corners, isn't it? It is just a curved line, no lines. Okay, in a rectangle, in square, and in triangle, we have lines, isn't it? Sleeping line you have, standing line you have, slanting lines you have. But in a circle, there is no line, only curves. Okay, so that is about your flat shapes. Now coming to your solid shapes. So in solid shape, what you have learned? A cuboid. Yes, a sphere. A sphere is not is same as a circle. Okay, in a cuboid you can see a square and a rectangle. Okay, but in a sphere it is same like a circle, like your ball. Any ball it might be. It might be a cricket ball, plastic ball, or tennis ball. Any ball, it is sphere. Earth is also a sphere. Okay. And also we have learned about a cylinder. Okay. So what is the difference between them? So here you can see a rectangle and a square. Here you can see a circle. Here in cylinder you can see a rectangle and a circle. Okay, and also the cuboid slides. Okay, when you take a cuboid, for example your matchbox or your eraser, if you push it with your finger, then it slides. Okay, it slips, it slides. Once you push your eraser, and if you see, it slides. Whereas a circle rolls. Okay, if a ball is moving, it does not slide. Okay, it rolls like this. It rolls like this. Okay, and coming to cylinder can roll and also can slide. So when this part, when the circle part is touching the floor or ground, then it slides. Okay, but if this part, rectangle part, is touching the ground, then it rolls. Okay, take an example of your water bottle. Okay, so when you place the water bottle standing, okay, when the circle side of the water bottle is standing, if you push it with your hand, it slides. Okay, but if the same water bottle is sleeping on the ground or on the floor or on the table, and if you push it, it rolls. Okay, that means a cylinder can roll or can slide, but a sphere can only roll and cuboid can only slide. Okay, children, so this is about your flat shapes and solid shapes. So in this, what you get is, either I'll give you a shape and I'll tell you you have to write which shape it is, or I might give you the whole flat and solid shapes in the form of fill in the blanks, or I might give you the name of the shape. You need to draw the shape. Okay, or else I might give you in the form of fill in the blanks like dash shape can slide, cuboid can slide. Okay, dash solid shape can roll, sphere. In any way I might ask you. So if I have given the shape, you have to write the name of the shape. If I have given the name of the shape, you have to draw. Or sometimes I might give you in the form of fill in the blanks also. Okay, children, now this is about flat shapes and solid shapes. Now coming to your patterns. Follow the given patterns to draw four shapes. That means you need to understand the pattern, you have to copy the same pattern, and then you have to draw four more shapes. Okay, so here it is 1 0 1 0 1 0, like a standing line, a circle, a standing line, a circle, a standing line, and a circle. Okay, so first you need to copy the same. Now you understood, children, the pattern is standing line, circle, standing line, circle. So that is your pattern. We have to draw the same pattern. We need to copy the same pattern from the question, and then we have to draw four more. Okay, so standing line, circle, standing line, circle, standing line, circle. So till here the question is finished. Now we have to draw the four more. Okay, so after circle you will get standing line, so you will write standing line. After standing line you will get a circle, so you will draw a circle. We finished with 2 1 2, but how many we have to draw? 4, isn't it? So again standing line and circle. Now we finished with 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in this way you need to understand the pattern and write it down. So here, children, if you see, you have two different shapes, isn't it? One standing line, circle, standing line, circle, two different shapes. Or sometimes I might give you the same shape, for example a square. Okay, so which is yellow in color, and another square, same square, but it is green in color. Okay, another square I have given which is blue in color, and next again I have kept the yellow square, then green square, then blue square. So in this way, so pattern is yellow square, green square, blue square. The color might change. Okay, so look at the question, understand the pattern, and draw the next four shapes. Okay, so so these problems again you have more in your classwork, children. Try to look at those sums and understand the pattern and draw. Okay, you have some in your classwork, your content book, your volume book also you have, and also the skill sheet. Okay, get those sums, understand them, and practice. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to do it in your exam. Okay, children, so in the next class we will learn the next bits, children. See you in the next class. Bye.